How's it hanging? It's Web Studios here. I'm Reed.
And I'm Jax.
And we just wanted to thank you guys so much for 100,000 subscribers. We already made a full video on that, so make sure to watch that. But today is the day that we finally got our plaque. Our 100,000 subscriber plaque, which is really crazy to think about. This really makes it feel like we've hit our biggest goal that we've ever had on this channel. And we just wanted to thank you guys so much.
Real quick, before we get into the rest of this video, make sure to stick to the end if you guys want to see us open up the plaque and put it up on our set back here. Real quick, before we get into the rest of this video, make sure you guys stick to the end to see us hang it up on our wall and to see us unbox the plaque on film.
Alright guys, as you can see, we have it right back at us. That was honestly the best way we could think of setting it up right now without changing the set too much, and it is. It's actually being held up by some web shooters, which is a really good nod to just the channel in general, considering a Web Studios plaque is being held by web shooters. So we thought that that was a little fun way of doing it.
Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our Patreon and our Instagram in the description below.
And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. See you next time.